Hey, what's up guys? Michael here from Story Creator, and in this video I'm going to be talking about placing video clips side by side. The reason why you might want to do this is for your social media content to make it super interesting, engaging, and to really just unlock a series of use cases. You're seeing Gary Vee, a lot of these influencer types creating all types of videos that are engaging their audience, and they're using really sophisticated tools. I want to show you how you can do it extremely easy and effectively today. If you know Canva, then you can do this. So let's crack right onto the desktop, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So the first thing that you want to do is you actually want to Google Story Creator app, and the first thing that you're going to see is storycreatorapp.com. You're going to click on that, and from here, if you're not logged in, you can quickly create an account, and if you're just curious about how the tool works, you can go to the free demo and play around with the clips and stuff, and you can add clips, you can drag them down, do some really cool things. But once you're logged in, this is where you'll actually access all the power. And from here, you're gonna go to the dashboard. And from the dashboard, you can click Add New Video. But since I have a new video already added specifically for this demo, I'm just gonna go ahead and go to that. And from here, we get a blank canvas. Inside the blank canvas, I'm gonna show you the video clips that we're gonna use. But before that, if you're on your own doing this, you can just quickly upload your own content. But since I have mine uploaded, I'm not gonna do that. But all you gotta do is drag and drop it, and you'll get it uploaded to Story Creator. So from here, I have a few videos that I've pre-uploaded. They're just some clips that I got from YouTube. And they're actually in that YouTube aspect ratio. So they're the 1920 by 1080 aspect ratio. So they're gonna go best horizontally. So I'm actually gonna stack them on top of each other vertically, just like this. Okay, so I have my first clip, which is a Shark Tank clip, and I'm gonna zoom out so that I have a bird's eye view of this media, and we can see that it's 75 seconds long. Okay, cool. Now I just wanna make a really short video, and I don't want it to be 75 seconds long. So I'm going to quickly just guess a spot just to show you the power of Story Creator. So from here, I'm gonna go to the 23, let's go to the 25 second mark specifically, so I can move the playhead here, and I can actually go to the 25 second mark right there. And then from here, I'm just gonna hit S on the keyboard. I'm gonna split that into two clips. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to delete the second part. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit so I can get this specifically or precisely at the 25 second mark. So you have to zoom out a little bit for that. And there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that this is 25, so it's 25:01. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go to this input, and I'm gonna change it to specifically 25 seconds. There we go, that looks good. So we have 25 seconds of footage. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to add this Kobe Bryant clip by just simply clicking on it, and you're gonna notice that it gets added next to the clip, because that's naturally, the way you tell a story is you have one clip, and then the next clip, and the next scene, and the next scene, and the next scene, so on and so forth. But with Story Creator, if you don't want that, let's say you want it to be on the same portion of the video at the same time, and maybe potentially even stacked on top of each other, next to each other, overlaying on top of each other, then all you have to do is drag this downwards, and then you can drag this to the beginning, or if it's really inconvenient to drag, you can just select the clip and then move the time stamp to 0 seconds. That's another way to do it as well. So from here, we have two clips, and you can see that they are positioned weirdly. So I'm gonna go ahead and just drag this bottom clip, this Kobe Bryant clip. I'm gonna put him at the bottom here, and I'm going to put them sort of somewhere in the middle so it's split nice and evenly. So there we can see that we have two clips playing at the same time. So from here, I also want to trim my Kobe Bryant clip at 25 seconds. So I'm going to move the playhead to 25 seconds. Again, I'm going to zoom in a little bit to get that precision. And then from here, there we go. I'm going to hit S on the keyboard. And then from here, I have two clips. Now I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. Cool. So from here, again, I'm going to zoom out so I have a bird's eye view. I'm going to go ahead and hit Command S on the Mac to save. And there we go. Now we have our two clips on top of each other, and we can preview it in real time. So this is great. So now I basically have achieved a really cool thing that I can do on social media. Now that's one way to do it. We can also do something cool like adding a progress bar in the middle here. So I can put that right in between. I can give this a background, turn the alpha up, and I can make this, let's say a Story Creator blue here. There we go. I'm going to move this all the way to the end, 25 seconds. There we go. So the background is too close to the foreground. Let's make this a little bit darker. Maybe even like that. Cool, that looks good. So now we have two videos stacked on top of each other. Now this isn't the perfect use case right here, but there are lots of use cases for these stacked videos, and this is just an example of how to do it. I would love to learn in the comments below how you plan to do it. I would love to learn your use cases, and if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up or leave a comment below. Cheers.